Hey guys, I'm Yashla and today I'll be showing you how to make a 4 ingredient, no yeast and no oven pizza. This also only takes 5 minutes to make and so it can't get any better than that. It tastes as delicious as a regular pizza and so let's get started. First up, in our bowl we're going to add half a cup of all-purpose flour. To that we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Now give it a good mix using a spoon. Now we're going to flour our work surface. Make sure to be generous with your flour. We're going to mix the dough until it isn't sticky anymore. Keep mixing it into the flour and add more flour if needed. Once it isn't sticky, add more flour on top of the dough, flatten it, and now it's time to roll it out. We have to roll it out until it's really thin. Roll it from all the directions. Keep adding more flour on both the sides if needed. Keep rolling it out, but remember that it should be smaller than your pan. This is how it should look like. Really thin, but it should be able to fit inside your pan. Now we're going to grease our pan with some oil. You can use any oil you like. Make sure to grease it well and even add oil onto the sides to make sure that the pizza doesn't stick. Once oiled, we're going to add our pizza dough. Be gentle. And we're going to cook it on a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Your pizza should start bubbling. This is because of the baking soda. Once it's really bubbly, we're going to flip it. If it has turned golden brown on the bottom, it's time to flip it. Now we're going to switch our flame to a low flame. Flatten down the pizza with the spatula. And now we're going to add the sauce. You can use any sauce you like. I'm using a mix of chili sauce and Szechuan sauce. Spread the sauce well. Now you're going to add in your cheese. You can add any other toppings you want, but I'm going to make a classic margherita today. Cover your pizza with a lid so that it can cook gently and the cheese can melt. Once your cheese has melted, it's time to take it out of the pan. This is how the pizza looks. You can add any garnishings like chili flakes or oregano. Cut it up and now it's time to eat. Yum! That tastes so good. It's nice and slightly crispy. So delicious. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.